Is your check engine light on and showing P0420 code?
Be careful. This problem can cost you a lot of money if you ignore it.
In this video, I'll explain what P0420 code means, the real causes, and how you can fix it step by step, even if you're not a mecha. P0420 means catalyst system efficiency below threshold.
In simple words, your catalytic converter is not working properly.
The catalytic converter is responsible for reducing harmful emissions. If it fails, your car becomes less efficient and more polluting. In most cases, people think the catalytic converter is bad.
But often, the real problem is a faulty oxygen sensor or engine misfire.
Here's how to properly diagnose P0420 code. Step 1. Scan the car and confirm the P0420 code. Step 2. Check for other codes like misfire or fuel system issues. Step 3. Inspect oxygen sensors, especially upstream and downstream sensors. Step 4. Check for exhaust leaks around the catalytic converter. Step 5. If everything looks fine, then the catalytic converter might be failing. To fix P0420, follow these solutions. Never replace the catalytic converter. First, always fix the root cause, or the problem will come back.
Driving with P0420 code for too long can damage your catalytic converter completely,
and that repair is very expensive. So don't ignore this issue. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video.
And comment below which engine code you want me to cover next.